Hey Miami University, welcome back to CyberSafe U, a video series that's here to make sure your online security is as strong as your Wi-Fi signal. In today's episode, we're going to talk about strong passwords. They're like the first line of defense against hackers, and trust me, if you're using password 123 or your dog's name, it's time for an upgrade. Let's dive in. Okay, so let's start with the basics. Why do strong passwords even matter? I mean, it seems like such a small thing, right? Well, here's the deal. Weak passwords are a hacker's best friend. According to the National Cybersecurity Center, the most common password in 2025 is still 123456. And guess what? It's still super easy for someone to guess. So imagine this. You use the same password for everything. Your email, your social media, your bank account, and all it takes is one data breach for someone to have access to everything. Not a good situation, right? That's why strong passwords are so important. They protect your personal information from cyber criminals. Now, let's break down what makes a password strong. A strong password should be long, at least 12 characters, and use a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. The more random it is, the harder it is to crack. Here's a fun example. Instead of using Miami123, let's make it stronger. How about something like this? It's longer, uses symbols, numbers, and both uppercase and lowercase letters. That's much harder for hackers to crack. And you don't have to make it something random or impossible to remember. You can create what's called a passphrase. Think of a phrase that's meaningful to you but hard to guess. For example, I love studying at Miami University can be turned into something like that's long, secure, and much easier to remember than a random jumble of letters and numbers. Pro tip. Don't use obvious info like your birth date, name, or Miami123. Those are the first thing hackers will try. So there you have it. Create long, complex passwords and use a passphrase. Protect your accounts like you protect your phone, because that's your digital life. Thanks for tuning in, Miami U. Remember, strong passwords are your first defense in the cyber world. We'll catch you next time with more tips to keep your digital life safe. Goodbye for now. Stay secure.